We are going to start our presentation. This is Green Energy Technology Group, and we are inside our prototype. We have our turbine set in place. As you can see, some notation we've taken. We've been preparing now for a good month on this turbine to be set into this property here in Bridgeport, Connecticut. We're going to get a meter reading of 0 to start off. All our meters are going to be set to 0 so we can commence this testing. Okay, we turn it on and off, and we have our wattage meter, which will be testing our input, and we're going to turn that on, and we can see a 0 wattage. Okay, I'm going to set down the camera so we can have a better visual of what is going on inside our prototype. We're going to be turning our system on. And here and there's also might be shutting the doors. Pending enhanced multimode is the result of years of painstaking work by a small team of researchers. The prototype has been built in my personal property in Bridgeport, Connecticut. And today's date is 1/19/2011, and the time is 3:30 in the afternoon Eastern Time. Temperature outside is 32 degrees. Outside humidity 62%, and the wind speed registering in the meter is at 28.1 miles per hour. Shortly cut this off for a second and plug in my input. Registering a meter, which we were going to demonstrate to show the input. Speed reduced at that moment because we shut it off to connect our wattage meter to demonstrate how much wattage we're putting in and how much potential wattage we'll be taking out. Once again, this is Green Energy Technology Group. You can visit us at www.greenenergytechnologygroup.com. Over to the box where we're measuring current. At this end, we're going to be measuring DC voltage. We do not have a load yet, but we will be getting our inverter soon, so we have to do this demonstration and then further take the final presentation where we will be showing you wattage once we have our load. The current DC voltage is 150, 151. I'm going to set this right next to the wind meter and the voltage meter. Get you a close-up of our wind speed, which is pretty much maintain a little fluctuation between 27 and 28 miles per hour. We are testing the free rotation of this UL certified 5 kilowatt wind turbine in our system today. And let me pan it down where you're going to be seeing the glance of what the turbine is actually doing. This is basically the wind speed that we have generated to guide the blades and produce electricity. Now the input from this blower that we're using, we are measuring it with our watt meter, which you will see in a moment. And it's registering 557, 58 watts being used. And we are estimating that the wattage output on this device per manufacturer is in excess of 5,200. And I'm going to change the setting to kilowatt hour, and we can see it's registering 0.67172 kilowatt hour. And we're going to press it again, get amperage. The amperage on the blower is 5.2 amps. Okay, we're going to come back up and give you a final view of our enhanced multimode power generating system. Now let's talk about what we are intending to do this year. This patent pending enhanced multimode power generating system is the result of years of engineers and researchers building it to perform the wind industry's need for Mother Nature to blow the wind. We're basically doing what Mother Nature would do. We will be creating our own wind, and at a certain balanced speed. In this case, we've been staying consistent at a 27.026 is our met speed that we need for this turbine to produce 5,200 watts of electricity, which will be in DC. Now, we're not connecting this to a load yet because we're waiting for the inverter, and once we get the inverter in place, we will be able to further demonstrate that this turbine will be perfect for a large family home, small business, and it would further prove that we can move on and build basically bigger units. So the company that we've patented is using this patent for the enhanced multi-mode power generating system is Green Energy Technology Group. We are testing this system, and our test proves that with a good constant wind speed of 26 miles per hour, this turbine is moving freely. It's producing at this moment DC current of 153, and it's hardly making any noise, and there was very little vibration on the device. We feel that this at this moment that this turbine is it's working adequately, and we will further start moving to the end process of connecting it to the grid here at in Bridgeport, Connecticut. So Green Energy Technology Group is going to be starting its own development into the commercial use of energy. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any comments, please contact us at greenenergytechnologygroup.com. Thank you once again.